Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. So, we are in our math packet. You are looking at the first page that is labeled Friday. And I understand this decimal stuff can be a little confusing. What I want to just remind you, I'm just randomly drawing here. When you have a decimal point and you move over one place value to the right of the decimal, that is your tenths place. So think of your dimes, okay? It takes 10 dimes to make one full dollar. And right here is your hundredths place. So think of your pennies, okay? Because it takes 100 pennies to make a dollar. So decimal point, tenths, hundredths. A lot of you, if you're similar to me, I like to think about money and compare money. So I'm just gonna, I don't have to do this, and you know what? Neither do you. But if I think about money, the numbers seem to make more sense. I'm not going to do it for all of them. That would take way too much time. So when you're comparing 33 cents, or you would say this 33 hundredths, or 43 hundredths, right? 43 cents is more. This one, you could either say it as 10 hundredths, or if you covered up that zero, you're just left with the 1/10, so 10 cents or 83 cents. We're going to complete this entire worksheet together, okay? 25 hundredths or 21 hundredths. Obviously, 25 cents is more, all right? Sometimes it's easier if you add zeros. So you're really comparing, 10 cents or 50 cents. Okay. 2/10, 5/10. What that is with money is 20 cents or 50 cents. F, 9/10 or 3/10. If we're going to talk money, it's 90 cents or 30 cents. I don't know. I feel like with money, if you make it money, we all love money, we all spend money, and some of us are even good at saving money. Okay, I'm just filling in some zeros so it looks more like money amounts. $3.30, $2.30, $6.40, or $8.60. And letter I, $7.80 or $9.79. All right, so the way you would read this, say it wasn't money, you would say 1 and 21 hundredths, 5 and 10 hundredths. Or you could just say $1.21, $5.10. Look carefully. There's a 7, a decimal point, 88. So those are clearly equal. And you would say that as 7 and 88 hundredths. All right, letter L. 5 and 1 hundredth, or 2 and 10 hundredths. All right, we're almost done here. Ooh, see how they try to trick you? They're hoping you're going to look at this super quickly and not notice. They are different. This is 5 and 91 hundredths, 5 and 19. So if you go too fast, you're going to get it wrong. $4 or $7.76. And the last one, $10.47, and then $10.91. All right, challenge, we're doing them. All right, $446.90 or $464. See how it's all in how they arrange the numbers, and they're hoping that you're going to go so quickly you won't notice. What I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to put a 0, and they look equal, right? Because they are 4 and, you can say it 4 and 5/10 or 4 and 50 hundredths. So we're going to put an equal sign here. So here's how the rest of your math block is going to go. Your next worksheet, I'm going to have you attempt this and complete this all by yourself. And after you complete this, you are then going to correct it with the answer key that is under Friday's math, okay? But for right now, let's look at this worksheet together, all right? They're saying color 4/10. This one, they're saying color 4 hundredths, color 44 hundredths. Here they're having you write greater than, less than, or equal to. You have to remember, here's what I think you should do. At the top of your paper, if you want, put a big decimal point, label it tenths. If you're like, Mrs. Jusome, I forget which is which. So write yourself a reminder. That way, let's do one now together. 4 tenths. That means 4 tenths. 4 rows of the tenths. Right? Okay? And now 4 hundredths, well, that's only 4 of the little 100 cubes. Big difference. Okay? So you're going to color in, shade in 9 tenths, 99 hundredths, 9 hundredths. You're going to then, you have 4 separate decimals. You're going to put them in order from least, so this will be the smallest. You'll put the smallest one here, the second smallest, and then the greatest, meaning the largest. Oh, Jay, you're in this problem. All right. Jay estimates that a baseball weighs about 5/10 of a pound. That means half a pound. Shauna estimates that a baseball weighs about 5/100 of a pound. Whose estimate is probably closest to the actual weight of a baseball? This one, I don't care if you do, okay, because we're not into weighing things yet. So that one's optional. What I did want to show you is your last activity. The directions are here, okay, and I have already cut out the pieces on the next page, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to need tape or you're going to need glue. All right, you have symbols and you also have them in words. You are going to use these, okay? And you are going to form true number sentences. So you are going to have 6 number sentences and you're going to tape them or glue them. So let me give you one example. There are so many examples you could use. All right, so let's say I'm going to use this less than sign. I'm just going to kind of, here we go. Okay, so you would read that as 1 3/100 is, oops, how's that? 1 3/100 is greater than 80/100. So you're going to use all of these symbols one time. There's 6 of them. And you're going to make 6 true number sentences and you're going to glue them. Okay? That is all for Friday's math. I wanted to make sure that I gave you a good amount of work, but I also realize you may have some unfinished work. All right? Please ask any questions, email me, or ask in our classroom stream. And good luck, and make sure you correct your work.